Hello, everyone. This is Dave from Thirsties. For those of you who don't know me, I am the Director of Sales and Marketing and Business Development here at Thirsties. And I'm fortunate enough to work with Laura, and occasionally I get to pop in here and do these Facebook Lives. So excited to share some great stuff with you guys today. I'm sure you've seen it all over in images, but I'm here to show it to you on the video, which is really nice. It kind of, I think, shows the colors a lot more. For instance, Lightning Bug is an awesome print, and so is Rainbow, fantastic. But Lightning Bug, I think you don't really see all the ins and outs of what is there just by the images. So I'm excited to share them with you. So first off, we'll start out with Lightning Bug, but I'll show them to you both together. There's Rainbow. I generally have someone helping me video these, but we usually screw it up between the two of us. So I figured if it was just me, maybe we'd get it right, maybe not, but we're rolling the dice. Hi Taylor, hi Stacy. So here's Lightning Bug. I'm gonna go ahead and take my phone and turn it around here and show it to you guys up close. So you can kind of see in there, there's some shadowing, some lighter blues, some navy blues, the yellows, but really gives you a good idea of what that print looks like. But really cute. And to compare that with the yellow, here's Daffodil. I'm gonna get really close in on there. It's kind of getting blurry, isn't it? But there it is. So it's actually really close to Daffodil. I think that got a little blurry on you guys. Let me scoot back a little bit on there. But really close to Daffodil. And then as far as the navy goes, let me put that up there for you. You can see the lighter navy is pretty close. The darker is almost, it's a very dark navy, midnight navy. So yeah, that is what Lightning Bug looks like, and all of them come with, the navy snaps, and then you've got it in the duo wrap as well. I'll show you that with a color coordinated. That's our midnight blue or navy right there as the trim. So there's a good look at it again. Super cute, guys. It's really cool. I know. I think you guys are all gonna love it once you get your hands on it. But really good looking print. And then, I'm gonna have to turn this around. I'm scared I'm gonna show you guys something on my computer that maybe you shouldn't see, like a new print so you're gonna have to look at me for a second. Rainbow. I'm glad you guys are liking it. I'm looking at those comments. They're awesome. So Rainbow is beautiful, and I'm going to answer a question first before we get to that. People have been asking what inspired these prints. I think the Rainbow print, Laura and I had talked about doing one last year in October, and then we thought it might be fun to actually do one in the summer months, as we all see a lot of rain that time of year and maybe more rainbows. So we brought it out this time of year, and it's for a lot of you that have rainbow babies, is highly requested, and so we're super happy that everybody's had a good response to it. Lightning Bug, I had a lot of memories of lightning bugs growing up. I'm yet to see one in Colorado, but living in Kansas, and we saw quite a few of them and some in the South. So this print is really cool. I thought it just kind of tied in with the colors, and they look really good together. Stacy, I am not spilling the beans. I can't turn it around unless maybe I just need to turn off everything on my monitors, then we'll turn it around. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so back to Rainbow. We'll get this out. Here's Rainbow. There's the back of it. I think that's probably close enough for you guys there. But once again, that yellow in there is also very similar to our Daffodil. I'm gonna flip this back around again. Moving everything out of the way here, guys, sorry. So here it is, right next to that sun there. You can see how close those two are. They're very similar. And then as far as what the blues look like, this is Azure, which we just came out with. It's pretty close to that darker cloud. It's a little bit richer, but that's Azure next to it. I'll put Aqua up here. Aqua is also somewhat close to this cloud, but once again, the cloud's got a little bit more green in it. And then I'll show you what moss looks up there too. So you can see that green So it's somewhere in between moss and aqua, that cloud there, and then the blue is just a bit richer, I guess, than that other cloud. And I think that's all the comparisons I got. Is there anybody else that wanted to see any other comparisons on there? That's all the colors I got handy. Well, I'll show you here some yellows from our sunflower print from last year, Sun Blossom. You can see these yellows are just a little bit more subdued than that yellow. That yellow is a little bit more primary and brighter. So yeah, we got little hearts on there, some little raindrops, some stars. It's really cute. I hope you guys really like it when you get your hands on it. So that is all for me. I enjoyed sharing that with you guys. This is always fun we get to sit here and see, and I'm going to take this back off me. I'm sorry, nobody wants to look at me. I'm going to keep this on here as I'm talking, but we get to design these and see them from the fabric to the diaper, and then when we see the images, sometimes they don't do as much justice as we're looking for with them. So it's always a great time to show you guys what they look like, and then you'll know when your retailers go live next week what you're getting into. But another look at lightning bug. Let me just put them right next to each other. So there they are. Really cute. Yeah, I think you guys will like them a lot. Bigger palette for print design. Stacy, what? I must have missed the first part. What is that asking? Yes, it's very similar to Scarlet. Is pretty close, and Iris is also quite close to it. If Rainbow's a really good seller, I'm not sure that we do it regular lineup, but there's always a chance. Hi, Stephanie. There's always a chance that we could bring it back down the road. It is a super cute print. It really turned out well, so we're excited about it. Hey, Shannon. I'm with you, Ashley. Those lightning bugs are awesome. Laura, thanks for the clap. All right, ladies, it's and gentlemen, if anybody's on there, it's been great showing you these new prints today. Like I said, next Wednesday, the day before the 4th of July. I hope you're not all busy getting ready to go travel for a long weekend, but that is when it will launch, next Wednesday. So find your favorite retailer, see what they have in stock, and go buy some from them. We appreciate y'all's support. Thanks so much. Have a great Friday and a really good weekend. Bye-bye.